What's up, everybody? Welcome to the 2300 Gear Jammer channel. We're off to a different kind of start today. I'm just riding along. I'm being chauffeured at the moment. Miss Daisy is currently the one driving, and I'm just sitting here editing a video. We're just driving along, going into this small town, and I didn't see it coming. I had my head down. I kind of missed the beginning of it, and then this happened.
They're okay.
He probably said, "Hey, turn into that bank." Smack.
What do you want me to do?
Back up. Oh, they're backing up. You back up. Back up, back up, back up. Quick.
There is a car behind me.
Well, it's a Mustang. We know they can't drive. Oh, look, it's Bank Street. Oh, I didn't even hurt it. Look at that. Front license plates are overrated anyway. He's just gonna ease on out of here like it didn't happen. All right, then. Well, bye-bye. See ya. I can't figure out what happened. Put in the comments your best excuse. If you were going to explain it to somebody how you deposited your Mustang at the bank, put that in the comments. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, tell all your friends, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.